Hey guys, welcome to our video comparing two of the leading Wi-Fi mesh systems in the market, NETGEAR Orbi and Google Wi-Fi. In this video, we'll be evaluating and comparing these products based on various features and specifications. But before we proceed, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. NETGEAR Orbi mesh system has a coverage area of 5,000 square feet with speeds of up to 3 gigabits per second, making it a great option for larger homes or spaces. Google Wi-Fi, on the other hand, comes with a single-point model that can cover up to 1,500 square feet, but can be expanded with additional points. NETGEAR Orbi wins in this category for its wider and faster coverage. Both systems offer parental controls. However, NETGEAR Orbi's smart parental controls promote healthy internet habits with better user controls. In contrast, Google Wi-Fi's parental controls only let you manage screen time and restrict adult content and do not offer a 30-day free trial as compared to NETGEAR Orbi's smart parental controls. When it comes to easy setup, Google Wi-Fi definitely takes the lead here. All you need is the Google Home app to create your network and get online in minutes. NETGEAR Orbi requires more technical knowledge. Although it's not difficult to set up, you may face some issues if you are not technically proficient. While both companies are offering great products with excellent features, Google Wi-Fi is more affordable, with a starting price of just $77. On the other hand, NETGEAR Orbi mesh system is priced at $130. In terms of price, Google Wi-Fi is definitely the cheaper of the two. And that concludes our comparison between NETGEAR Orbi Mesh and Google Wi-Fi. Both products have their own set of advantages and disadvantages. If you need a wider and faster coverage, then NETGEAR Orbi Mesh is definitely the way to go. But if you're on a tight budget, then Google Wi-Fi is a good option to consider. Don't forget to comment down below and tell us which one do you think is the better option for your home network. Also, if you find this video informative, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech product comparisons.